Good morning guys. Today is 22nd of June 2025 and the time is 10:52 in Malaysia. Yeah, it's 8:32 a.m. in the morning and same 10:32 a.m. in the morning in Malaysia too. But now currently this is the hotel behind me. This is Armada Hotel Petaling Jaya. So we stay here at this location. In Malaysia, this is basically Petaling Jaya, we call our PJ. Now currently I'm going to Batu Cave because it's generally an Hindu temple and that too in Malaysia is worth to watch. So guys, now I'm in the taxi. No, I'm just speaking to my camera.
Okay.
I make videos on YouTube.
Alright. That's good.
Okay, so now we are heading to Batu Caves. It's morning, so it's nice. A sunny day, no much rain. Guys, we have come to Batu Caves. It was somewhere 25 ringgits. I think we go on the other side. Okay, I think that over there is the Lord Murugan statue, and this is how it looks on the overall for the Batu Caves. Also Indians and 25 ringgits from my hotel, 25 ringgit 50 cents. 25 ringgit 50 cents is equal to around 450 or 500, 450 is 480 rupees Indian. And I don't know how. I think we should go to the top of it and then we enjoy the view more better. So it is a big cave and the statue whatever we see, I think it is said to be 380 meters or 140 feet. The statue that is just behind me is the Lord Murugan statue, which is around 140 feet tall. That's basically the background is just like Tamil origin, wherein the statue is Lord Murugan statue and it stands still upright with no issue at all. Tallest Murugan statue, and I think we can go on top of there. So now we are climbing Lord Murugan temple. I think there are around 250 steps and many people climb. Basically, if you see it here, there are many people including Muslims, so it's nice to see. I'm the only one who has come here. So guys, this is the cave, what is there in Batu Cave. So see how big the hanging structures are, and I think this is the exit, and there are so many people. So big cave, basically it is a hollow structure over here. Oh man. And that is the temple, main temple, and there's one more temple. So this is the entrance of the temple. This is how it looks. Thank you. Okay, just now darshan aitu. Maybe this side we can go. There's one more thing. We go there also. And We see how is it, because seriously man, these mountains, if anybody could see it at one go, it doesn't look that simple. That because see the where the hanging structures are all rested on the other side, this one and this one, and this is completely empty man. Just see how the temple is constructed, how these mountains are supported. Wow, it is really marvelous to see this kind of caves, and I think you can see it